Today, we have with us Mr. Ran Moore, who's the founder and CEO of More Visual and Treatment, which is one of the world's best event production and entertainment company. He's also founder of the Life Art Festival, which is an art and film festival and had been hosted in various exotic locations around the world, including Los Angeles, Athens, and Santorini. He has been raised in Israel and have worked in numerous countries around the world, including Germany, India, and Greece. The goal of his event management company is to create events so stunning that none of their clients or the audiences have ever experienced. I would like to invite Mr. Ran Moore to address the audience with his inspiring word. Give a huge round of applause.
I am very pleased to be here in the Delhi Technical University and launch our partnership with the greatest YUVAAN festival, and is completely organized by the students who are working hard to make it possible. Today, it marks a very special day for me personally, as I have started my artistic career right here in India more than 25 years ago, and have since produced numerous films, live events, and festivals around the world. Being back here now to help empower the local industry and help connect the amazing talent of this great country is closing a full circle for me. The goal of Life Art Organization is to connecting artists and entertainment professionals worldwide, and we are thrilled to enable this opportunity here in India, the biggest production hub in the world featuring so much talent. With the new Life Art platform we are launching here today, students of the YUVAAN organization and other professionals around the country will get access to competition and festivals that we are producing worldwide, along with this opportunity to showcase the work to our dedicated mobile platform, the lifeart.org, and get direct link to some of the leading international industry professionals. With that, I would like to congratulate all of you guys, the organizer or the people who support the student, for your hard work and providing your student with the tool and advance for their future. I want to especially thank all the volunteers that already help us getting it together and hopefully will help us keeping ahead. And we are thrilled to be here in this great country and hope this is only the beginning of great partnership. Okay, I'm not the best speaker because I'm usually behind the scene. I tell people how to produce, I tell the director what to do. I'm looking behind the monitor, I say I don't like it, I put people on stage, I put pop stars on stage, so for me it's like, even reading is too much. It's very easy to sit on the monitor and tell I like, I don't like. So thank you to put me something that is very difficult to do as a human being for me. And I just remind that, as I say, 25 years ago I come, and I was the same as I start in India, the same as I think all of you. And without work and succeed and doing everything to make things happen and never let every moment to make us depressed or insecure or secure, and all the time to think, how can I make it better? How can I make this event better? How I can make my film better? Never, if you get somebody like your artwork, think how can you make it better? Because to succeed in this world and being in art is all the time moving forward and forward. Anyhow, thank you all and enjoy Fantastic Festival for the next few days.